Hello everyone and welcome to my reflection on a critical incident in the tech industry, the Razer data leak case. Today we explore the implication of this case, not just for Razer and Capgemini, but for all of us who work with technology and handle sensitive data. This case serves as a wake-up call about importance of data security in our digital age. Razer is a well-known global gaming hardware manufacturer recognized for its innovative products and commitment to the gaming community. Founded in 2005, Razer has built a loyal customer base, offering from a gaming laptop to peripherals. However, even the industry leaders are not immune to data breaches. As we will see in this case, Razer reputation is built on trust, and which like this can significantly undermine that trust. What is the case all about? The case revolves around Razer using its IT vendor Capgemini after a data leak exposed sensitive customer information. Razer claimed that the breach resulted in significant financial losses and reputational damage, prompting them seek the compensation. This incident highlights the vulnerabilities that exist in our interconnected world. In today's digital landscape, data breaches are becoming increasingly common according to recent studies. Millions of records are compromised each year, leading to identity theft, financial loss, and erosion of consumer. In fact, a report by IBM states that the average cost of data breach is over $4 million. This case is a stark reminder of the stakes involved and the need for robust security measures. Data security is not just a technical issue, it's a fundamental aspect of business integrity and consumer trust. Companies like Razer must ensure that they not comply with laws, but also uphold ethical standards handling customer data. In an era where consumers are increasingly aware of their rights and the importance of data privacy, companies cannot afford to neglect their responsibilities. What are the facts of the case? The incident description. The data leak occurred when Capgemini, if responsible for managing Razer IT infrastructure, failed to implement adequate security measures. This negligence led to unauthorized access to Razer's customer database, exposing personal information, including names, email addresses, and possibly payment details. The breach was particularly alarming because it involved sensitive data that could be exploited for identity theft. Razer reacted swiftly by notifying affected customers and taking steps to enhance their security protocols. They also engaged cybersecurity experts to assess the extent of breach and to prevent future incidents. This rapid response is crucial in mitigating the damage caused by such incidents. Parties involved. Razer as the plaintiff sought accountability from Capgemini, the defendant, which had a contractual obligation to protect Razer's data. This relationship highlights the complexities involved when multiple parties are responsible for data security. It raises questions about how companies choose their vendors and due diligence required in this partnership. The technical details. Let's delve deeper into technical aspects. The breach was reportedly due to failure in encryption protocols and inadequate access controls. Capgemini's security measures were not up to industry standards, which allows hackers to exploit vulnerabilities. This raises a question about the security frameworks that companies like Capgemini employ to safeguard client data. For instance, were they using outdated software? Were the employees adequately trained by cybersecurity best practices? What about the customer impact? The impact on the customer was profound. Exposed personal information can lead to identity theft, fraud, and loss of trust in the company. For many customers, knowing that their data is vulnerable can be distressing and can affect their future purchasing decision. Macy's reputation was at stake, and they had to work hard to reassure their customer that taking the necessary steps to improve security. So, what are the issues of this case? The data protection. A fundamental issue is the responsibility of IT vendors like Capgemini in maintaining data security. What protocol should they have in place to prevent such breaches? The case raises critical question about adequacy of security measures and the training provides the employees. Companies must invest in the regular security audits and ensure that their vendors are compliant with the latest data protection regulation. The next is the liability. Determining the liability is complex. Should Capgemini be held solely responsible for the breach, or does Razer share some responsibility for not enforcing stricter security measures? This question is pivotal in understanding how companies must navigate their relationship with vendors. It also touches on the broader issue of accountability in the tech industry, where the lines of responsibility can be often become blurred. The next one is ethical consideration. The ethical implication of this case cannot be overlooked. Companies have a duty to protect customer data, and failing to do so can lead to dire consequences. This raises a broader question about corporate responsibility in the age of information. Are companies doing enough to protect their customers' data, or are they prioritizing profits over security? The next is the legal precedents. This case could set important legal precedent regarding vendor liability and data breaches. It may influence how contracts are written in the future, ensuring that the data protection responsibilities are clearly defined. Legal frameworks surrounding data protection are evolving, and in this case, could serve as a benchmark for future litigation. The next is consumer trust. That erosion of consumer trust is another critical issue. Once a breach occurs, it can take years for a company to rebuild its reputation. This has long-term implications for customer loyalty and brand integrity. Companies must understand that the trust is a currency in the digital age, and any breach can have lasting effects of their relationship with customers. What is the ruling of the Singapore court? Court decision. The Singapore court ruled in favor of Razer, acknowledging that Capgemini's negligence is directly resulted in the data leak. The court awarded Razer damages for financial losses incurred, reinforcing the importance of accountability in data management. This ruling marks a significant moment in the ongoing conversation about data protection and vendor responsibility. The reasoning. The court emphasized the critical nature of data protection and the contractual obligation that IT vendors have in the safeguarding client information. The ruling serves as a reminder that companies cannot afford to be complacent about the data security. It also highlights the importance of clear contractual terms that outline its responsibilities and liabilities. Implication for the industry. This decision sends a strong message to the tech industry about the legal ramification of data breaches. Companies must take proactive measures to protect data and measure compliance with relevant laws and regulation. It may also encourage other companies to reassess their vendor relationship and data protection strategies, leading to a more security-conscious industry. Reactions. The ruling has elicited mixed reaction. Some industry experts praise it for a strong precedent, while others worry about the potential for increased litigation against IT vendors, which may lead to higher costs for business. This courses that this discourse is essential as it happens the future landscape of data protection laws. What are my takeaways as computer engineering student and future engineer and as a future engineer? Number one is the importance of data security. As future engineer, we must prioritize data security in our work. Understanding technical aspects like encryption, secure coding practices, and regular security audits is essential. We need to be aware of potential vulnerabilities and actively work to mitigate them. This includes staying updated on the latest security technologies and trends. Ethical responsibilities. We have an ethical obligation to protect user data. This case serves as a reminder that our decision can have significant impacts on individuals and society. We must advocate for best practices in data handling and ensure that ethical considerations are at the forefront of our work. This means not just complying with laws, but also fostering a culture of security within our organization. Number three is the career consideration. In our careers, we should push for a robust security measures in all projects we undertake. This includes advocating for comprehensive security, training for all employees, and ensuring that security is integrated into the development process from the outset. We must also be prepared to speak up when see practices that compromise data security. And the last one is future trends. As the technology evolves, so will the threats to data security. Staying informed about emerging trends and advancement in cybersecurity will be crucial in our roles as engineers. We must continue to educate ourselves and adapt to new challenges in the field. This includes in the understanding the implication of new technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning on data security. In summary, the Razer data leak case illustrates the critical importance of data security and the responsibilities that comes with handling sensitive information. It highlights the needs of vigilance and accountability in the tech of industry. As we've seen, the consequence of the data breach can be far-reaching and detrimental to both companies and consumers. As we move forward in our careers, let's commit to the vigilant about the data protection and strive to create a safer digital environment for everyone. Thank you for watching, and I hope this discussion inspires you to think critically about the data security and for future endeavors. Remember, as engineers, we hold the power to shape our future technology responsibly. Let's use that power wisely. Thank you.